Do you always feel that the stock market turns as soon as you enter in a trade? Are you tired of losing trades? Do you wish there was a way to turn those losing positions into winning ones? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of rolling options, a powerful strategy that can help you transform your trading game. Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm a former finance executive turned options trader, and I'm here to help you escape the 9 to 5 grind with the power of options trading. If you'd like a copy of my free ebook that covers my top option strategies to help you retire early, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and I'll respond to your comment with the ebook link. Also, don't forget to sign up for my free options newsletter, link in description below. So first things first, what exactly does rolling options mean? When we talk about rolling options, we're referring to the practice of closing one existing options position and opening a new one, usually with a different date or a strike price. This strategy can be used to extend the life of your trade, add time value, or simply adjust your position based on market conditions. So let's talk about why it would make sense to roll your options contract. First of all, to avoid assignment. If you're holding on to options that are in the money, rolling them can help you escape assignment. Second, to extend the trade. If you believe in the long term prospects of the underlying asset or stock, rolling allows you to stay in the trade for a longer period. For example, if you sold covered calls on Nvidia at a strike price of 120 but believe Nvidia has more room to the upside, you might want to roll Nvidia up and out to a further date. You could roll simply to adjust your options position to adjust to the current market conditions, whether it's moving your options contract up and out or down and out. So let's talk about how you will roll options. First, you want to identify the options position that you'd like to roll. This could be a call or put option. And what you want to do is to close your current position. Now, I'm an option seller and I sell options. So for me to close the position, I would be buying back that call or put option. And that's the first leg of adjusting my options position or rolling. For the second step, you want to open a new position. You want to choose the expiration date or strike price that aligns with your strategy and sell the call or put options, or vice versa if you bought the options. Most brokers will allow you to roll in a single trade. Always make sure you roll for a net credit. This means that you're collecting more premium to close your old position while opening a new position at the same time. Let's do a couple of real examples of how you would roll a put option and a call option. So I have these two NVIDIA positions pulled up in my account. The first one is 110 put. This is a sold put. I'm currently in the profit on this position, but let's just say I want to push this position out another week. And although I'm in the profit, if I believe that by May 16th, which is next Friday, that NVIDIA has a possibility of going lower than 110, and I want to avoid assignments, so I can go ahead and roll it out another week and also lower the strike price to 109 instead of 110. Now, my first criteria before rolling is to make sure that when I open a new position and close the current position, the new position pays me more to close the current position. So if you look at the market price of the current contract, it's about 65 cents. So when I open a new position, I want to make sure that the new position is more than 65 cents. So let's go over to the options chain. And if I go out another week, so this position is expiring May 16th. I'm going to go out to the following week, which is May 23rd. And if we go to the options chain right here, and if I look at the 109 strike price, it's actually giving us $1.23, which is basically $123 per options contract. So this would easily cover my original position, which is worth only 65 cents right now. So so let's say I'm ready to roll that position. What I would do is first I want to make sure all my other positions are not selected, and only the position that I want to roll is the one that's selected, which is this May 16th 110 put. So then I would just click on roll selected. But we are buying back those two put positions, and we're opening another trade to sell two NVIDIA puts. Now I want to make sure this strike price right here is actually selected to 109, which is the strike price that I want to adjust this position to. So if we hit the review button right here, it's showing us that we would actually get a credit of $113. That just means that since I have two contracts, I am making 113 divided by 2. I am making 56 or $57 per options contract by rolling it out another week and also rolling it down by, $1. So that's how you would roll a put option. Now we could do another example on a covered call that I've sold on NVIDIA. So coming back, looking at this options contract right here, NVIDIA is currently trading again at 116, and I have the 120 covered calls sold. Let's just say for whatever reason, I don't want to lose my shares at a strike price of 120, and I want to roll this position out and also move my strike price higher to a higher price that I'm willing to give up my shares. So this contract currently has a value of $5.50 or $550. So let's go over and see where we can find another options contract with a higher strike price that is going to be able to cover this and also, allow us to move our strike price higher. So since this options contract expires June 6th, let's go over to the following week, which is June 13th. And so if I look at this 121 strike price right here, it's giving me a premium of $5.60. Well, the market's open, so the premiums keep on changing. But I believe that if I choose the 121 strike price, it will be able to cover my current position, which is trading at 550. So this one's trading slightly higher, 555. So how I would roll again is to select this position, hit roll selected, and then again, I'm buying back this position and I want to sell. I'm going out another week and selecting the 121 strike price, going one strike price higher than the current price. And if I hit review, then you can see that I'm actually getting a credit of $53 for my 5 option contracts. So that's how we roll. And that's it for today's video. As you can see, rolling options can be a powerful strategy for managing your trades, adapting to market conditions, and converting your losing trades into winning ones. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your comments below with any questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.